Jasmine and Caylee's Southern Colonies Project.
The Southern colonies include Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia.
Some of the Southern colonies' specializations are they produce the most cotton, they also grow a lot of indigo and forest products.
In the southern region, there are large landowners, wealthy merchants, and financiers. Men took the responsibility to govern others. Women were on top of fashion.
The geography of the southern colonies were rich soil, warm climate, and Charleston has a natural harbor. The Appalachian Mountains are also very close to the southern colonies.
The southern colonies depended on New England for manufactured goods, metal tools, and equipment.
Come down to the southern regions, there's a lot of plantations, so you will have plenty of space, and there's few cities.
In the southern colonies, a few jobs are farmers, shoemakers, laborers. The colonists were seeking religious freedom, political freedom, and profit. We have come to the conclusion that the southern colonies can provide more. Hooray!